What is up, guys, and thank you so much for checking out this video. My name is Arain. We're just going to be going over some of the menus, some of the options, and also some of the navigation. So at the end of the video, I'll be showing you some of the voice navigations you can perform with Amazon Alexa and your controller. It's actually really cool, so stick around for that. If you're finding me for the first time on this channel, I break down technology in a way that everyone can understand by going over the three main questions: what it is, what it does, and is it worth your money? So if you enjoy videos like that, definitely go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Now, let's get started with the video. Alright guys, so right out of the gate, what we're going to do is just quickly go over some of the options and settings of the Cube so you get a better idea of what you can do with it. We're going to head into the actual remote settings. The remote is Bluetooth, it has a microphone built in, and in these options you can actually link a game controller if gaming is something you would do on the Amazon Cube, or different Bluetooth devices like keyboards and things of that nature that will make navigating a little bit easier. But you can also use your voice, so don't forget that. And this equipment control area is where you would manage all the equipment that's connected to your television set. So those are things like cable boxes, sound receivers, and the television set itself, and the Amazon Fire TV Cube, of course. So in here you can actually add different devices that the Cube is going to control. Right now I just have my cable box and my television set, so I can actually switch between the cable box and the Cube using my voice, and just that alone. I don't need the cable remote or anything of that nature, and it all goes by where it's connected on the TV. So just make sure you know where that input is, and then you'll be able to manage it and set it up. You should be all set. So the next option we're going to cover is the applications, and this is a really convenient place for you to go and see all the applications you have installed in the Cube. And if you want to remove any application, it's a really simple thing of just finding the application you want to remove, selecting it, and once it's selected, you scroll down and you have the uninstall option here. You can even force stop it if the application is freezing, or grant it different permissions, clear the cache if it's not working properly. I'm going to install this one just so you can see, and it's completely gone. And it's as easy as that. Very simple. You can manage all your applications from this particular setting, and then we're going to go into the display and sound, and this is where you find your screensavers. So the Cube has a really cool option, is if you just leave it stagnant for a while, it does give you different screensavers that pop up on your screen to kind of minimize that blackness of the TV going to sleep, and you can control all the settings of the screensavers within this option. And there's a plethora of different screensavers you can have. You can set the start time, the stop time, you can have it give you some Amazon Alexa hints so you know how to use the Alexa a little bit better. And from this option you can actually manage your audio and video options for the Cube as well. Now, we're going to get into the really cool part, and that's the Alexa commands. I love voice commands, and this thing handles voice commands extremely well. So we're going to kick it off by starting to go to one of my favorite apps, which is Netflix, and we'll give that a shot first. Open Netflix.
Here's Netflix.
And you can see how simple that was. It was really just pressing the microphone button on the remote, speaking in, asking for Netflix, and it pops right up. Now you can give it other commands, specific commands like open Netflix and play Luke Cage. And then what the Cube will do is actually go in, find your Netflix account, log into your Netflix app, search for that particular show, and begin playing it, as you can see there on the screen. And that's really convenient. If you know the name of the show, you know what you're looking for, you don't want to bother with going through menus. You can literally speak your command and the Alexa just brings it right to you. It's an awesome option. Search for action movies. So another great option is searching by genre, and the Fire TV Cube has the ability to pull up movies on a specific genre. So if you're not quite sure what movie you want to watch, but you know the genre you want to watch, action, comedy, you can literally just search for movies based on that genre, and the Cube does a great job of combining all the movies from the different apps you already have installed in the Cube in one particular screen, so it makes your searching a lot easier. You get Netflix shows, you get Amazon Fire TV shows, and all the different apps that you have installed in your Fire TV Cube popping up. So it's a great streaming option if you just want to randomize what you're going to watch on that day. Alexa, Play music.
Here's a station you might like, Top Pop, from Amazon Music.
Now, of course, the Amazon Fire TV Cube also does music on command, so you can actually tell it to play music randomized, and it'll give you, based on your preferences and based on your music that you listen to, it'll actually give you different selections that it feels it's good for you. But you can also link your different playlists to it as well, so you do have a full entertainment type system here. Now keep in mind that the music is going to play through whatever audio device you have connected. So if you just have a television set, it's going to play through your TV. If you have a sound bar, it's going to play through your sound bar. If you have a receiver with speakers connected, it's going to play through that. So keep in mind that it doesn't really play through the Fire TV Cube speaker itself. It plays through whatever audio speaker you have connected to your sound system. And as I stated before, the Amazon Fire TV Cube can actually control your television device by switching back and forth between the cube itself and the other devices you have linked that are connected to the television set. And it can even turn off the television. So I'll give it the turn off command and the turn on command so you can kind of see how fluent that actually works. Turn off TV. Turn on TV.
Okay.
Well guys, thank you so much. That's going to do it for our video for today. The Amazon Fire TV Cube is a fantastic streaming device. Amazon has done a great job of creating that one device that can sit at the center of your entertainment system and be the hub for anything that you want, your Netflix, your Hulu, any kind of streaming. This thing does it. The searching options through the voice command Alexa are fantastic, whether you're speaking directly into the remote or using the speaker itself. Amazon has done a fantastic job of putting this device together, and all that's really left is for me to tell you, is it worth your money? And I'll be covering that in my full review of the Amazon Fire TV Cube coming this Saturday, so make sure you return, stay tuned to this channel for that full breakdown, and I'll tell you what I liked, what I didn't like, and is it worth the $120 price tag that's been assigned to it. Now, if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and hit that thumbs up. It definitely helps the channel, and I really do appreciate it. And always remember to share your thoughts, opinions, and just general consensus in the comments down below. And also, if you have any questions about the Fire TV Cube, go ahead and share those in the comments as well. I really appreciate you guys checking out the video, and until next time, peace out, everybody.